This is a test of the emergency alert system. No action needs to be taken. This is only a test. Repeat, this is only a... What the hell was that? I don't have time for this.
Tom. You might wanna come look at this.
What the? Who in the ever-living hell decided to do that?
I don't know, but I think this calls for an actual emergency.
I'll announce it. Hey everyone, you may have noticed that the EAS has turned from a test to an evacuation immediate. This is because some fuckers decided that it was a grand idea to be detonating a bomb near our headquarters. So now we have to evacuate the whole town because it started a fire, which only make our jobs harder. Yes. Anyways, the following message has been transmitted at the request of, I don't know, us. It has obviously been reported that a bomb has gone off downtown and resulted in a fire. The fire is actively spreading through the town. I'm actually surprised it didn't reach us yet. All residents are strongly advised to evacuate immediately. Take all the necessary supplies, you should know what they are at this point, and get everyone in one vehicle yada yada yada. You know the drill. Also, make sure to tie a white or bright colored towel to your doorknob or mailbox. This will let authorities know that you have followed the evacuation procedures.
Tom, we gotta go. The fire is starting to approach our headquarters.
Oh shit. Well, I gotta sign off guys, stay safe out there. Oh, and a word of advice, don't be like that punk that was playing with bombs and set one downtown. Trust me, your life will be so much better if you're not stupid. Okay, gotta go, see ya suckers.